Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have some Skullcandy Push Active True Bluetooth in-ear earbuds. These are lightweight and these are the blue and gray color. Alright, so we have these Skullcandy. These are truly wireless earbuds. They have 3 different colors. You've got the blue and gray, black and green, black and orange. So these are hands-free. Total battery is 48 hours. It's got extra features. So here's some more features on the back. It tells you about the hands-free control, the voice command. So these are a smart feature technology, hands-free voice control, 44 hours of total battery. Control your audio with only your voice. You can say things like, hey Skullcandy, play, Spotify, turn up the volume. So the case itself gives you 34 hours. The earbuds themselves give you 10 hours, so you get a total of 44 hours. These are sweat and water resistant, not for swimming pools, only for sweat. So let's dive into the box and see what we get with this set. So first off, you have a user manual. This will tell you how to pair it up. So it says, let's get started. You've got your 3 steps right here. Once you have already paired these, both of them will be paired together. You can download the app itself. You've got the Google Play Store as well as the Apple Store. So this just gives you a little bit more information about it. It has the different languages here. The English is on the back side. How you set your voice control, your button controls, your power on and power off. So here's your play, your pause, your forward, your backwards, your volume up, your volume down. Power on, press 1 time. So the Push Active is the newest technology of earbuds with a fit that won't fall out. So it has these little wings on the top to cradle your ear so they don't just fall out. It has hands-free voice control, flexible over the ear hooks, and superior water sweat resistance. They are ultimate audio. So here is the case. This one is not like any other case where they're like kind of a material. This is more of a box. It's got the nice little skull on the top. So in here, this is where you'll get your earbud covers, your charging cable, as well as some other information, paperwork. So the best thing about these are voice control. So you can say open up Spotify, turn it up, turn it down. So this is the user guide. You do get a 1-year global warranty. So as your other earbuds here, you've got small, and I think the medium's already on them. And then there is your large. Those are your small, your large, and your medium's already on them. And then you do have your charger right here. It is a Type-C charger. This just plugs into a USB port. And that's all that you get in this box right here. So you got your little prongs right here. You'll just plug it into one of your power bricks. So here is the case. It has your little light indicators here to tell you if the case has been fully charged. It's a nice size case. It's small. Back here with this little plug-in thing is where you'll plug in your Type-C charging cable. And it just charges just like that. Put it in here like that. And it'll start charging. You can see that this is a Type-C, not your standard Android. And it fits in there just like that. If you have a power brick, you would just plug the other end into the power brick. You want to close that up, just push this back in here. You get it back in there. So you got the skull logo, you've got the indicators. Right here, you open them up. First off, you can see that it's got a nice little blue backing, has some little information. Here are the earbuds. So this is your left side and this is your right side. So when you take them out, you can see that they are contoured to your ear. These are the little charging things. So when you get these, they will do have a plastic little thing on top of them to shield the charging. So here is I think these are the medium sized buds. So you got the small, you got the medium, and then these are the large. So the one that's on already are the medium, and there's the large. So you'll want to remove this plastic part right here. This will help you to charge it. If you have that on there, it will not charge. So these are the little metal thing. You got to make sure that those are clean or it will not give you a clean charge. Just put that in there. The blue means it's completely full. A red light means it is charging. You got to do the same on the other side. Make sure that these are always clean, otherwise they will not charge the units themselves. This is flexible, so it is not uncomfortable to wear. I love these. It is contoured to my ear. These are noise cancellation, so when you put these in, you will not hear any background noise. It sounds really good. When you take in phone calls, they're very clear. You have these little buttons here on the side to drop the calls, pick up the calls. These are voice activated, so once you download the app, you can set that up in the app. And then once you set that up, you can say Skullcandy, turn on Spotify, or, you know, turn the volume up, change the song. And then you just pair these. You just push those to pair. Once it pairs, they will both be synced together. So I charged these up a little bit until it was completely charged. This one here, out of the box, it is 3. So you do get a really long battery usage out of just the headphones themselves, and you'll get a lot longer when you have this case with you. I definitely like these. I use these whenever I'm on the go, when I need to talk to somebody on the phone. This is a great set if you're looking for some nice earbuds that are not uncomfortable, that are sweat proof. When you jump around doing exercise and they don't fall out of your ears, I would definitely say take a look at these ones because these are really nice. I highly recommend these earbuds.